Tingnan mo ang ganda.
Alin? Oh, ang ganda.
Napadaw ang maganda. Noel!
Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Ang ganda niya.
Yes. The tall Christmas tree. We are here in...
Ay, meron siya udo, no?
Oh my God, that's
something.
so beautiful. Come on, we have to look at it.
Di, check mo. Ay, sorry. Check mo muna natin kung ano meron doon sa Christmas tree, Day.
We go first on the Christmas tree. Okay.
Oo.
The first Noel.
Ang ganda.
Yes, very beautiful.
Okay, let's go to, wow, Dinwang Street.
Wow.
Sa Firan. Ay, maganda
We
rin
are
siya.
here
Oh, illumination of lights. Where are we? Ano pala to? We are at the... No.
Taman di Barcelona.
No, Plaza.
Nakita yung dito sa mami ko, nag-focus siya.
Plaza Jaume. Sa Plaza Jaume to.
Sa Jaume.
Oo. Ayun, ang ganda. Ano gawin nila dyan?
Of course, what did you do?
Wait.
Wow.
Ay, ang ganda. Ano tira? Ay, saan ni siya?
Subjects,
All subjects, adornments.
Mga decoration.
Mga Christmas decors, di ba?
Yeah.
Symbols. Ang ganda. Meron talaga silang ubas, di ba? Meron silang 12.
Yes.
Ikot, Christmas tree.
Yes, the Christmas tree.
Ano ang mga dito, Day?
I think it is...
Boxes lang?
No, it's a symbol of what you call a building or something like that.
Ano yan? Hindi ko siya maintindihan.
Building,
Or
of course,
or
yeah.
churches.
No, it's not churches. It's like building, like building blocks. It's like building like that.
So building, mga buildings lang siya. Isa sa cycle. So mga bahay-bahay lang siya.
It's very nice.
Oo. Oh, tama. Kasi may mga wire-wire pa siya. Oh.
Then meron pa siya. Bakit nasa taas naman yung ano niya, yung post ng light?
Dali. Ay, po daw. Ay.
Can you see that?
So ano ang symbol na ito? Pang cold.
Yes, because it's winter. And it's a symbol of Christmas. No, in December, I think. December, there is what you call it? Christmas tree and socks and scarf, candles.
Oo. Socks. Tapos
And
mga
then,
scarf.
scarves.
Scarf. Kasi nga, di ba, plural yung scarves. Meron pa dito, dali.
Yes, good. And it's a Christmas.
Mga balls, dive.
And I opened the
Candles.
cupboard in the attic,
Dali.
revealing piles of boxes full of forgotten objects. Then I realized they were my sleeping Christmas memories.
The smell of cannelloni, figurines.
And wrappers, garlands, the family gatherings, and at
That moment, I knew that you too, in your house, in your city, had your own forgotten objects. Mga
That was
forgotten
the
objects.
forgotten object.
Kaya pala meron sila parang mga old frame, picture frame.
Because it was all forgotten. Kumbaga, nasa ano na siya, nasa
Nasa
stock room.
Tapos, ay meron pa dito nakasulat, dali.
Evad Chabrir, Almari de les
Ay hindi, ano siya, in
Catalan.
Catalan. Eva Chobri, l'Armari de las Golfas, idea en van sorti, un món de caixas, objectes oblidats, i llavors vaig adonar-me que eren els meus records adormits de Nadal. L'olor de caneló, de figuritas, Indicada sa escalada sa Situgamen, si Batshabeko tambe, taniya sa Kasituga, Ciudad Deus Papis of Civilats. Ah, ano lang yun? Ano lang yan? Ang cute!
Navidad! So cute, no?
So, meron dito nakasulat in Spanish.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Hindi yan, ano yan?
Hi.
So,
Oh my God.
So I'm with Rose. We are here at Plaza Jama and we are very amazed with this Christmas decorations here, right?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like it. And it's very beautiful and fantastic.
Yeah, but today is Monday, so we don't see a lot of people here. But probably during the weekend there should be a lot of visitors. Ang ganda niya, wait.
It's simple art, but it says it. Says it.
So what did it say? Sige nga.
It's a simple art. Simple, very simple.
Let's go. Ang ganda rin dito kung sa street na to.
Yes, lalo na sa San Peribal.
Saan?
San Peribal.
Saan yun?
Doon sa may Via Laitana.
Ah, oo, yun kasi mapula-pula siya eh. Padaan ako kagabi.
Ay, nakapunta ka ba?
Maybe din ako doon. Other ano.
Wow, I would like to be there. Yeah, let's
Ay,
go.
maganda doon.
Plaza.
Let's
Ano
see,
yan?
Plaza what?
Maraming restaurant dyan.
Plaza Real.
Oh, yes, yes.
Harapin mo ang camera.
Wow.
Where are we?
We are in Plaza Real. Look, there's a lot of restaurant here. If you want to taste the Barcelona delicacies or or
Walang tao.
paella or whatever.
Ang hinahanap ko yung may mga interesting lights.
Yeah.
Christmas lights. Do you think it's interesting they have here?
Yes, it's kind of.
You think so? Well, yeah.
From the ordinary days, the lights are different this December.
I am looking for something very amazing, like magical
Oh,
lights.
Yeah.
Over
Anyway,
there.
this is
Where?
a
What's
common
that?
light.
No, there's nothing more.
Ang sabi ng lalaki na yun.
Ang fountain hindi function.
See.
Ganda oh.
Which one?
There.
Yeah, we can go there.
Bilis. Maganda siya oh. Bon Nadal.
Bonzo. Yeah, look, it's different.
Wow. Gusto ko siya oh.
I think in every place, not place, in every, ¿cómo se dice? In every ciudad?
Streets, district.
District, yeah. Distrito?
Bon Nadal. So this is No de la Rambla.
Sí, no de la
We'll not go further na lang. Dito na lang tayo.
okay.
Tabi-tabi ka may sasakyan. Nice one. No de la Rambla. We are walking.
In La Rambla.
Where is La Rambla? Tell us about La Rambla. Is there anything that you know about this
No.
street?
This street is, what you call it, La Rambla. A walking street of tourists. And then there's a lot of restaurant here that you can choose.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing.
We're sharing.
So
the-
do you recommend
Yes.
for newcomers or tourists,
Yes,
first
I
time
would recommend
tourists?
this, but this place is quite expensive. because
Okay.
it's very touristic. There's a lot of tourists here, so
Look, there's something. Look at that green one.
which one? Ah,
Let's check.
Yeah.
This is McDonald's decorations.
Yeah. So
and
McDonald's
KFC.
is so rich because they decorate.
Wow, look.
Ben's
Bonus Fest.
Bon's Fest.
But it's not so. It's okay, but
Not that so.
it's still unique. Though this one I found it very,
Interesting.
This one. I think this is the theater.
Yeah.
The cell theater. If I'm not mistaken, no, I'm right. Have you ever been to this theater?
No, I haven't been there. I haven't been there. Well, let me see. Oh, it's nice.
Maganda.
The light.
Ano kasi siya, it's iconic place.
Yeah.
So they decorated it.
Just to
Nicely.
catch attention from the people, from the tourists. I mean.
Let's have a nice look from the far. It's very grand.
Grand.
Yeah.
Opera Barcelona. Lizelle Opera Barcelona.
Yeah. I will have a look from this side. Look. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah. Run, Mazart, Rosini Moratin, and
Okay. Why is this
But-
street not having lights?
no, but they have
The other side has.
there's a Christmas tree.
What?
A big Christmas tree.
Korea has.
Yeah.
So are you happy
Yes, I'm happy
with,
to have
with
a
Korea's decoration?
no, not that so because look, not quite
At least it's
interesting.
open.
Yeah, it's open.
Christmas na rin ang tindahan.
Yeah.
Pati ang Carrefour. Ano, ito palang Carrefour.
Huh?
Sears Riviera.
Meron kang
Anong building na ito?